Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Checking out this high capacity 128 ounce 1 gallon stainless steel water bottle here. It comes in several different colors and sizes, sweat resistant. It's 24 hours of cold. All right, so a lot of people are into drinking a lot of water, or not necessarily a lot of water, but it's super good for you. Check that thing out. It's got a nice little slip resistant bottom on there. This is dishwasher safe, so that's very cool. We can just throw it in the dishwasher. It's food grade stainless steel. It features vacuum, double wall vacuum. It's leak proof and dishwasher safe. Comes with this nice little handle right here as well. So whether you want to drink out of it with this thing, just unscrews. Has a nice little, this is BPA free plastic as well, and that just screws back on to take some water out of there. So I like that you can just throw this in the dishwasher if you need to. That just unscrews there nicely. Good sized bottle here. Check that out on the inside. Oh, there we go. Also has a kind of the rating in here. Oops. There we are. Got a little sticker we can throw on there too. Keeps hot foods hot for 12 hours and isolates cold things up to 24 hours. So very sweet. Let's fill this thing up with water and check it out. So I've been kind of making a concerted effort to try and drink more water. I like how it's got a nice big opening here to it. So if I do want to wash it out by hand, I can actually put my hand in there. Some other bottles have like smaller openings. You try to wash them out and you can't really. Hands, it's not the biggest hand, but it's like we couldn't get it in there. So I like that is easy to clean out and everything. So if I don't want to throw it in the dishwasher, you have the convenience. If you want to throw it in the dishwasher, you can, and it's going to be just fine. I like how it has this rubber like non-slip thing there on the bottom. So that is really cool too. If it's just stainless steel on the bottom, a lot of times you put it down and it can roll around pretty good, or not roll around, but slide a little bit. So that's nice. I like the color. Of course, this comes in a few different colors: blue, silver, like a burgundy, black, green, and white. So obviously my favorite color is green, so this is the one I got. So I'm going to wash this out real quick, fill it up with some water, kind of give you my final thoughts on it. But so far, I like super heavy duty. I'm going to be trying to drink a gallon a day. So for me, it's just easier to just fill this up in the morning and then go throughout the day just taking drinks, and that way I can kind of track what I'm drinking instead of like taking a glass here and there. So let's go do that. All right, well, it's got a gallon of water in it. It's pretty heavy. Good thing it's got this nice handle too. So if you want to drink, this is going to keep your cold water cold, your hot water hot. So if you're into putting soup in there or something like that, and then try to drink a gallon of this a day now. Comes out nice and even, not like splashing all over the place. Super easy to drink out of. Just screws on there, and it's leak proof as well. So the water coming out of there. I like how durable it is too. Take it to work, wherever you want to go, camping. Nice gallon of water there, or whatever you want to put in there. Usually it is stainless steel on the inside, so you could put teas and different things like that in there. I usually just drink water and stuff, but unlike other thermoses and stuff, if you put like hot cocoa in there, maybe harder to rinse out. But since this one has that nice large opening there too, you can just get your hand in there and clean it all out. So I really like that aspect of it. Yeah, super burly. With the double wall, it's like stainless steel, so it's going to be pretty durable. And anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. Now I can keep track of how much water I'm drinking every day, and just kind of set my goals there as far as that. Just got to drink one of these bad boys every single day. Really cool looking though. I could put the little logo sticker on there too, so if I want. Pretty sweet. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.